Meaning of erode.
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 Erode. Erode means to gradually wear away or diminish by natural elements, such as water or wind, or by chemical processes like corrosion. The result of erosion is the gradual loss of material from the surface of an object or landform over time. This can lead to changes in the shape, texture, and composition of the object or landform. Erosion can have both positive and negative effects on the environment, depending on the circumstances. For example, it can create new landforms but also lead to soil erosion and habitat loss.